Never have I cooked chicken
ever
in my life.
Happy Vlogtober!
Welcome to our nest.
Hey guys, so we're in the kitchen as always it seems, and we're doing something for the very first time. What are we doing, babe?
We are cooking chicken. Never have I cooked chicken
Ever.
in my life.
Never.
I've eaten chicken many
Ever.
times, but I've never cooked it.
Never.
Ain't that a... Never mind.
Never. My eyes got so big.
That was funny.
Never,
That was
ever have I ever made meat before. So
You know, you realize
we
that
were
most
both
people
raised.
don't consider chicken meat.
Really?
Yeah, they only consider red meat to be meat.
Okay. Well.
That's how people actually refer to meat.
Okay. Well, I've never made meat. I've never made chicken. Never made poultry. Nothing in my entire life. So we were raised as vegan people. Well, not really as vegan people.
Most of the time vegan. You flip-flopped.
Well, for you.
For me.
Yeah.
I was like vegan, then not vegan, then vegan again, then not vegan, not vegetarian, not at all.
Okay, so for me, I was raised vegetarian, but my grandpa always cooked chicken like on the weekends. And so like as a little girl, sometimes I would sneak in to try to like grab a piece of chicken. But anyway, I was raised vegetarian and then strict vegetarian and or vegan. So that means no animal products, no animal byproducts. So that's like dairy, milk, cheese, etc. No eggs, no fish, nothing. And we're both great cooks when it comes to vegetarian and vegan food, but we've never made meat before. So this is going to be an adventure.
I think it's going to be awesome. Just based upon my cooking skills. No, I'm just playing. I don't know. I have no idea. We'll find out.
One of us is conceited.
I think that is... No, I think it's going to be good because of the recipe.
Yeah, so we're using Ayesha Curry's brown sugar chicken recipe that's in her book, The Seasoned Life. So here we go. Tonight we're gonna do asparagus with caramelized onions and jasmine rice.
That's
Alan has, you okay?
Yeah, just the steam.
Yeah, you got a facial. Alan has some sweet potatoes that he got from his dad's garden. So he's gonna make a sweet potato souffle.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Maybe I'll make it tonight.
Those look really good.
If I feel like it.
We researched, we've Googled, we've YouTubed, so we figured the first thing that we need to do is clean the chicken. So here goes. Honestly, I'm a little like freaked out to do that. I'm just like, ugh. So I asked Alan if he could do it.
I'm gonna eat it. Why not?
Here goes.
Is that?
That's chicken, babe.
Ew! I don't want to eat that.
Okay, you're not going to. Yeah, they're vegetarian. So Alan has cleaned all the chicken. Now I'm going to saute the shallots, ginger, and garlic in this Dutch oven. I'm just gonna put some olive oil and a little bit of butter in here and saute. So we are browning the chicken legs. We're browning the chicken legs in this butter and olive oil so that the skin can be crispy. So interesting. Okay. All right, so the first batch is done. I guess this looks pretty good. And our objective is just to brown the skin, and then we're gonna cook it some more. Alan's got the second batch going. Oh wow, so I definitely browned.
That got brown quite a bit.
So now that we have the chicken broth in, we're going to add a cup of soy sauce.
This is low sodium soy sauce. According to
And after the soy sauce, we're gonna put in 2 cups of brown sugar. So we've got the fat, the shallots, ginger, garlic, brown sugar, soy sauce, chicken broth. We're gonna let this simmer for 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it, let it simmer. And we're gonna do a little bit of a cleanup job here because look at that. And then we'll add the chicken in. So I'm gonna set the timer. This is the chicken, we're placing it in the oven and it's gonna stay in there for 30 minutes. So guys, we forgot to season the chicken.
For an hour.
We forgot to season the chicken. We're supposed to season it with salt and pepper. Hopefully it turns out okay with all the seasonings that are in the liquid. Okay, so while we're waiting for that, I'm gonna go ahead and caramelize some onions. And these caramelized onions are going to go atop of the asparagus that we're having.
What are those?
All right, while we're waiting for our chicken, we're watching Stranger Things 2. Who else is
Season 2.
absolutely addicted to that show? And we just saw that we sad.
Don't tell them they didn't see it yet.
Sorry,
Hey, come on.
spoiler.
Just spoiler alert.
Sorry. I'm checking on my caramelized onions and they are looking pretty good. I can't wait to eat these things. I just like improvised and grabbed this spoon. I usually don't stir with a spoon like this. But anyway, these are looking pretty good. I'm gonna put the top on just a little bit longer. Let those cook up a bit. We have 2 minutes on the chicken and then we're gonna take the top off. So we bake it in the oven with the top on the Dutch oven for 30 minutes. Then we're gonna take the top off and bake it for another 30 minutes. So it's got 2 minutes left. I'm gonna see what this looks like. It smells. Okay, honestly, the smell of cooking meat makes my stomach turn.
Smells good to me.
I'm glad it smells good.
Smells good
All right,
to me.
here we go. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, wow, that looks really nice.
2,000 years later.
First time preparing meat or chicken at all. Look at this delicious looking meal. The chicken looks nice and tender, ready to fall off the bone. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Perfect. That is perfect right there. You excited, Sequela?
I think so.
Watch
All right,
this.
moment of truth. Here we go. Is it good?
Delicioso. That's perfect.
The flavors are great. What about the salt?
It's fine to me.
It's fine.
To me.
All right, I'm gonna try it. Oh gosh, I'm a little nervous. It looks delicious. We did a great job.
We did. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Sure does. All right, here we go.
Let's see what it tastes
oh
like.
God. Wow. We did it. This is good.
It's delicious.
That flavor, that brown sugar, so good. All right, I'm starving, so we're gonna finish watching Stranger Things. Night.
Good night. Good night, guys.
Thanks for watching our vlog. Please subscribe.